Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Debbie. This is my Crafty Dan, and I'm going to do another layout, another weekly spread in this planner. This is the planner that I got for $5 at Dollarama, and I've been trying to show multiple different ways that you could do layouts in here and use this for a regular planner. And I thought, because we're getting close to the end of August, it's that time of year again. A lot of moms call it the most wonderful time of the year. The kids are going to be going back to school soon. So if you're a student and you would like to use a planner, whether you're in high school, college, university, taking home classes, anything like that, this would be a really great planner because you can customize this any way you want to. So I'm going to give you one idea today on how you can set this up for a school planner, and then I'm going to decorate it just a little bit. So what I'm going to use is this sticker book. It's actually a washi tape book. All the pages in here are solid pages, and you have to cut out the individual pieces, or you can use them in strips, use chunks of them, because some of the little vignettes in here are kind of cute. But I've been using this for quite some time. I think there's 6 or 8 different color schemes in here. There's red, there's green, there's blues, there's pinks, there's yellows, there's oranges, there's even black and white at the back of this book. And I decided to use this because I've been watching for this to come back in stock. I got this on Amazon and I just found it again. So I'm going to use this, and then I'll link that down below. I think it's $16.99 Canadian, probably a little cheaper stateside, but $16.99 Canadian for this sticker book. It is amazing. So I've used it so much. So first of all, let's decide what color we're going to use to decorate this. Then I'll know what color to use as my lines when I draw my planner out. Red? I don't know about red. What about orange? Is a really cool color. We haven't done any orange. Do I still have some orange stickers in here? Oh gosh, orange is a really cool color, and they have different shades of orange. I think this will be fun. So what about, did I bring any orange? I've got this kind of a gold color, and 2 different shades of orange. So I've got these. Let's do a little bit of a swatch test here. I'm just going to do it right in my sticker book. So that's that one. Oh, that one matches pretty good. Yes, that matches pretty good. So that would be really good. And what's this one like? This is more of a yellow. So maybe I'll keep this as a secondary color. So yes, I'm going to use the orange. So what I decided on here was that a horizontal layout would work really, really good for school. So I thought if I did Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, because it's a school planner, so do those quite large. Do Saturday and Sunday as just a small section so that you can put your weekend plans in here, and then a little section at the bottom for notes or things like that. And then this would be really functional. So let's draw out some boxes. Is this the one? Yes, I like this one. And let's draw some lines. Now, Of course, this is going to be whatever you want it to be. So if you want to do this style of a spread in your planner, if you're doing a school planner, you use whatever colors and stickers you choose each week. It's just so customizable. So if you're doing this particular layout, I'm putting 9 lines in here, and I'll show you why when I start to set each day up. So do I need a place for notes down here and just a few lines for Saturday and Sunday? I think so. So what I'm going to do is a small section, maybe here, for the weekend. And then I'm going to go down the outside of all my boxes together. There. So I am going to write Monday, Tuesday, and then I'm going to put Saturday and Sunday. So I'm going to leave a space of 2 lines, 3 lines actually, at the top of my boxes before I write my boxes down, because I think that would be a great place to put any particular thing that was actually due that day. You could put a special box in here and put it on that day. So I am going to do, I'm going to do 2 boxes because here I know that the kids in high school have 2 classes in the morning and 2 classes in the afternoon. So I'm doing 2 boxes for the morning 2 classes, and then 2 boxes for the 2 afternoon classes. And then I'm going to do a second row of boxes. Because when you have this class, then you can make a notation of any homework assignment that you've been given. So I think that would make a great day. You have your morning classes, your afternoon classes. Of course, if you had a lot more classes or less classes, you can customize this. But one of the things that would be really good to do would be to put the time. Say your morning class starts at 8:45 a.m. You could put down 8:45 and then the class you were at. Then you could put down 10:30 and the class you needed to be at. That type of thing. So for this particular spread, I'm just going to do this. There, so you have your 5 days covered. So like I said, you can put the dates beside here and then put in an extra box if you want to. So I'm just going to do a couple. I'm going to switch the color up. So just to give it a little bit of something different, I'm going to switch this up and do a box like I have a project due on Monday morning, and then I'm going to do a project due on Wednesday morning. There. So you're going to do something like this only when you have a project due. So I'm going to grab my pen and I am going to put project due. This is where some of those really cute little school stickers would come into play. There. Now, another thing that you can put in here is you could put, I'm just going to write lunch here. And you could put the time of lunch. If you're going off school property with friends for lunch a particular day, you could make a note, cafeteria, or bring your own lunch, whatever type of a notation that you wanted to put down for that. So, yeah, don't forget to pack your lunch, whatever you need to put down for these types of things. Now, down here, you've got extra room, a little bit of extra room at the bottom of both pages, because a lot of times you just want to make a quick notation. This is a great spot to put it. So I think that this is a very simple, easy to use and easy to see layout for anybody who has morning and afternoon classes. So you can do your classes, your homework assignments, what you're taking for lunch, what you need to pack. Do you need to buy a lunch? Whatever. You might have to pay for your lunches. All kinds of things. So it kind of covers everything. And there's also one extra little line at the bottom, because sometimes you may have an extra curricular activity and there's room. I left one extra line at the bottom so that there'd be room to write that. Now you could actually do 2 extra lines. There's 3 extra lines here. So you could make this 2 extra lines. You can customize this any way you want to. So here are some of these really funky, cool washi stickers. They're actually really cool. Yes. And look at Ronald McDonald. Oh my gosh. So some of these stickers are like just super, super cute. So let's see what I have. Of course, I'm always cutting out the girls. But what you have to remember when you're decorating is that these washi tapes are really good to use because you can still write over them. So you get to decorate, but you also get to, there. You get to decorate, but you also get to write. You still get to write in here. You can hardly tell they're on the page once you get them down. It's such a fine washi in this book. So I cut out this little one because it says, if you keep on believing, the dreams that you wish will come true. And I thought that was cute. So maybe I'll put it down here under this girl right here. Like that. And then I like this because it just says girl cute. So I just thought I'd shove it down there. I like these 2 little girls holding hands here. They're just the best of friends, you can tell. Would be a really cute sticker for the weekend if you got plans with a girlfriend. And I kind of love this guitar. Because why not? So I think this is all I'm going to put down, and that's deliberate because you need the room to write in here, because this is an ongoing working planner. If it's a school planner, you can of course put your classes down according to your school schedule, but you still need room to write your assignments down. You still need room to write these things down, which should all go in here first before you put any stickers down. What you could do, however, is spend a half an hour at the beginning of each month and go through and put the lines in. You could do your boxes. You could put your days down, Monday to Friday, and your weekends. You could put these things down And then you just have like a blank planner ready to fill out and maybe throw some stickers on. And if you have a bunch of those school stickers, there's a ton of stickers that you can get just on Amazon. You don't have to spend a ton of money in Etsy shops and places like that. So you can keep this budget friendly. And of course, this whole planner was only $5 to start with. So that is the spread that I'm showing you this week. And I will maybe do another school style layout next week, a different style, so that you have some choices. Let me know in the comments if you would like that. This is the sticker book that I got these out of. I will link this down below. Also, when I found this one back in stock, there's another book that I've ordered already because I love this one so much. So I'm going to give that one a try as well. I'll show you that when it comes in. If you enjoyed this spread, let me know in the comments. Also, let me know if you'd like me to keep doing different styles of spreads in here each week, just to give you some ideas and inspiration. They're very simple. I love doing them, and I mean, I love coming up with the ideas for different things. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that now before you leave. I would love for you to come back and become part of my YouTube family. I'll see everyone in the next one. Until then, bye-bye for now.